Innocent prince, Przemysł's friend. Vlasta, warrior, a woman of action. Sharka, beauty, seducer. Once upon a time, during the ancient Slavic times, during the times of Paran, which had been forgotten, there was a well-known woman on the Czech throne, Libuše, the first Czech princess. She was so beautiful and admired by people, but at the same time she was also a prophetess, a wise woman who was able to see to the future. She foretold the glory of Czech nation. She saw Prague as a capital city. She saw a clear future, but at the same time, she didn't recognize the intrigues of men around her who didn't put up with her reign. She didn't live for a long time, so she died early and left Přemysl alone.
What the hell, Stirat? There's corpus and they're burning. What the bad habit? I'm having my mouth full of ash.
Well, my Duke, this is the habit of our ancestors, and we obey the commands of spiritual goddess Morana, but I can't stand it too.
Speaking about it isn't different too.
Well, my Duke.
Anyway, don't call me your Duke. Damn it, how many times have I told you not to call me like that? I'm Przemek. Haven't you forgotten that I was a plowman? Have you?
Okay, Przemek. If you weren't the best from all of us, wise Princess Libuše wouldn't have chosen you as a wise ruler. Oh, speaking about Libuše, I'm sorry, Przemek. I would almost forget. My sincere sympathy for your loss.
You're right. Thanks for reminding her to me. She was the great woman. I won't fight the women like her, but frankly, sometimes she got on my nerves too. You know, forgetting all the time. No cooking and no cleaning. Actually, I'm okay without women.
Okay, so you may prepare your some songs. So, Turkish friends, please sing your song. So come here, Turkey! Turkey! Woo, woo. Woo, woo, Turkey! Woo, woo, Turkey! Woo, woo. Turkey! Turkey!
Bravo! Bravo!
Ona çok güzel ama başkasına sevdalı mendili geline Hadi verdi geline Kara kına yollamışlar benim ellerime Mendili geline Hadi verdi geline Kara kına yollamışlar benim ellerime Mendili geline verdi beline. Kara kına yollamışlar benim ellerine. Mendili geline, mendil verdi beline. Kara kına yollamışlar benim ellerine.
Poor Przemek, my poor unhappy widower, what will you do? You are so powerless on this paganic world. Who will stand up for you? Who will warm your bed? Who will burn the fireplace? Who will prepare food for you? Who? Who? I've already been thinking about everything. I've been the best friend of your former wife. Once she told me, who would look after my husband after my death? Lasta, you will be the best choice for Przemek after my death. I rely on you. I beget him to you. You are the only one who will make it.
Sorry.
Oh, Vlasta, did she really tell this to you? I don't know anything about this.
Yes, this is exactly what she told me. So come and don't hesitate any longer.
Help me, where are everybody?
Are you kidding me?
Wait, I'm kidding you? Virgin Vlasta, have you gone crazy, haven't you?
No, I haven't. You've gone crazy. What are you doing to do now?
Why are you doing all this? Nobody is hurting me. I don't need anybody to care about me, to warm my bed. My wife has just passed away and I even didn't have my time for sadness. And you are doing all this fuss.
Me? Lipusha wanted all this, not me. Przemysl, come on, we will rule this country together.
Thanks, but I'll rule this country on my own.
Well, and who will prepare food for you?
What food? I'm not hungry. Moreover, leave me alone. Look, Vlasta, I'm not saying I don't love you. I love you as my friend. Good friend. I can rely on.
As a good friend, you're saying a good friend, so go cheat yourself. Me as a good friend.
I didn't mean it like that. I don't want to marry again. Understand?
Yeah, I got it. You dumped me like a useless junk. Old Czech, Vlasta isn't good enough. Is it your last word?
But Vlasta, Vlastichka. Oh, actually, yes, it is.
So, Italian friends, let's sing your song, please.
Hey, Italian friends, let's sing a song.
Italy, Italy, Italy.
Miami me lo confirmó. Dominicana y Argentina. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, y el Caribe somos tú y yo. Y se formó la gozadera. Miami me lo confirmó.
Vlasta by refusing her as a woman. And he shouldn't do that. Female race is proud, vengeful, and they don't tolerate such behavior. So let's go and see how women want to revenge themselves on men.
Girls, we need to talk. There's a big problem with men. We have lost the respect we used to have, and even worse, the most humiliating choices are given to us. Men want to make us homebirds, and that's horrible.
That's true. They want us to become their servants and slaves, just objects of their love.
Gosh, you're right. That's it. Have you even heard about men ruling women? A woman must be a boss. She must rule with an iron hand, and men must always report to her, like at times of Princess Libushev. We were so close, and you know that I do have a gift of foretelling and seeing the future as well. If you are interested, I can do it for you girls. Don't hesitate. Ask me. So? Well, cause you are so pressing, you come with me. I'm ready. I can see a big city. Go to the Moravian forest. Yes, we were almost there, and call it Olomouc. What do you think, guys?
Well, it's not Prague, but still not so bad.
Ladies, wait. It's not been done yet. I can see even more. Women carrying heavy shopping bags and children. Women cleaning windows, scrubbing floors, and standing at the stoves in the kitchen.
Vlasta, what else can you see? What about men? What are they doing?
They are staring at the strange box and drinking beer. Dear colleagues, we better rise up and humble a rude race of men because we don't want to be their slaves. Girls, I don't intend to gossip or anything, but do you know how they will call us? Hans, you heard it right, Hans. As Vlasta is my name, we will gain our power again.
So, Romanian friends, let's sing your song.
So the women declared war to men. They didn't want to rule them anymore. So they left their husbands, their sons, and founded their own castle. They called this Casa Devin. Then they started to learn to fight with a sword, with a pike, to ride a horse, to fight with a spear or bow, and so on. They wanted to be as good as men. At first, men laughed at them, but when they lost several battles, their smiles disappeared. Women were cruel and cunning, and they ruled several times. So just take a look at a well-known trick by them. One day, Stuart was returning with his men around home when he suddenly saw Sharka, bound to the oak tree, screaming and crying.
Oh dear, help! I need somebody to help. Where are you?
Here, there's somebody moaning.
Where? Where? Oh my, you are right. First I fought somebody and has run over a hedgehog. Sharka, who did it to you? I'll untie you and we can live together.
Squirtstrut, don't do this. I don't like it. We are too close to women's castle giving. Let's go anyway.
Don't be scared, Sharka.
Thanks a lot, Stira. And as a reward, you can blow the horn.
Blow the horn? I wouldn't expect such a reward.
Shut up and start blowing.
Sharka, you betrayed me!
As soon as the women executed men, all hell broke loose. Men got mad and invited all tribes of Slavic They built up a huge army and defeated women. They got scared by men's power and started to ask for mercy. And because men need women for delivering babies, looking after household, and of course because of Varmet, so they took women back. And that was the ending of this war.
And now, Italian team, go sing their song!
Bu manzarayı yakından çekmem lazım.
Wow! It's loading.
Con le spade contro il muro, pronto a difendermi. Con gli occhi bassi stavo in fila con i visi chiusi. Tu mi hai raccolto come un gatto e mi hai portato con te. A te io canto una canzone perché non ho altro, niente di meglio da offrirti di tutto quello che ho. Prendi il mio tempo e la magia che con un solo salto ci fa volare dentro l'aria come bollicine. A te tu sei sempre... Hands up, please!
A te che del mio amore, del mio amore grande, a te che hai preso la mia vita, tu l'hai fatto molto di più. A te che hai dato senza tempo, senza misurarlo, a te che sei un grande amore, il mio grande amore. La mia mano, fragile che potevo uccidere, stringendoti un po', la presa di la forza di una mano, che nella tua vita, trascinarsi in salvo. L'arte della ventura, a te che credi nel coraggio e anche nella paura, a te che sei cosa ti sia successo, a te che cavi tutti i giorni e resti sempre la stessa, a te che sei semplicemente sei sostanza dei giorni miei, sostanza dei giorni miei. Mare sei una meraviglia, le forze della natura si concentrano in te. Sei una voce, sei una carta, sei un uragano, sei la persona quando canta. Perché sei, perché non posso avere l'unico amore che vorrei se non ti avessi con me. Perché sei una vita bella da morire, lasciare una vita, un immenso piacere. Questa è solo musica.